Alright, what's going on? In this video, we are going to do a little installation demo for you guys. So now if you notice when you get your K8 kit, it's going to have two different diverters. It's going to have a stainless steel diverter and a couple of adapters. And then you're going to have this white diverter as well. The differences between these, just obviously one's plastic and one's stainless steel. But the reason you would use this plastic one is because it's got a shower head feature. So if your sink is one of the fancier ones with the spray faucets and everything in the shower head, you can actually hook this one up, and then you will have all of those functions. You'll have the shower function, and then the ion diverts the water to the water machine. So here's a close-up on these diverter pieces. This diverter, this is where the water gets diverted. This is a 3/8 inch output for that. And these will fit any standard sink. These adapters are for if your sink has an aerator. Take out the aerator. I'll cover that in a minute. And then this is more of a lower profile one. The threads are a little bit different in each. Here is the plastic one I was telling you about. So this ring goes over here, and whatever fitting you need to go into the aerator kind of goes like that. Noted that these also work with beveled end sinks. We've done one where we did just a beveled ended sink, so we just had this, and then the sink was right there, and it was pulling it down hard enough on this big rubber piece. So it worked just fine. But today, we're just going to use this standard stainless steel diverter. So I'll show you the sink. We have a pretty basic sink here. So for this one, you can see that the aerator's in here, and it does not come out. This kind of design faucet has a screw over, so what you can do is actually get some pliers if it's calcified. We had ours off recently, so, and you're going to be able to take this off. So now that this is off, that comes with your aerator. You're left with these threads right here. We're going to take our diverter and we're going to start screwing that on. Let's get that snug. Actually, I'll do it this way so it'll be easier to see. So now we have that snug on there. So we're going to unscrew this little piece on the side that I was showing you. And this is going to go right on the hose. Once you get that fed onto the hose first, we're going to take the hose and we're going to push it on the little nipple right here. It's going to go right over that, and then this is going to go back through, and then you're going to screw that on tight. I recommend having a pair of pliers. I'm just going to do this hand tight for you guys, but normally I would take some pliers and get a couple more threads to make sure that's on there nice and tight. And now you have water that's going to be able to go to your Kangen machine. Now also in the K8 package, you're going to get an extra, it's going to be a gray tube. And what this is you have to put it a little bit further from the sink, and this short flexible hose is not long enough. You can go on the bottom and replace that with a longer gray tube, and that will be your acidic tube.